You may have been told to save money to get rich. But what if I told you that saving alone won't make you wealthy? Here's why. Inflation is stealing your money. The price of everything goes up over time: food, rent, gas. But your savings, they just sit there, losing value. Inflation means your money is worth less every year. The wealthy don't just save, they invest. Rich people don't just save money, they put it to work. They invest in assets that grow over time, like stocks, real estate, or businesses, while most people's savings just sit and shrink. Saving alone won't make you wealthy. Saving is important, but it's not enough. If you want financial freedom, you need to grow your money, not just store it. Make your money work for you. So yes, save for an emergency fund, but don't just save. Invest, build assets, grow wealth. Because saving alone, that's not how the rich do it. But there's one good reason why saving should not be ignored completely. Saving money isn't just about security, it's about being ready for opportunities. Imagine this. A great investment pops up. A stock at a discount, a property deal, or even a chance to start a business. If you have money saved, you can jump on it instantly. The wealthy don't save just to let money sit. They save so they're ready when the right moment comes.